Hey, what's up guys, it's me Trav, and today I am back with a new video, and today I am going to be unboxing this guy, the new GoPro 9 that just came out yesterday, September 16, 2020. Don't worry about this guy because this is my cup of coffee. He's going to be joining me on the unboxing journey. So I was wondering when GoPro was going to come out with another GoPro, which is going to be the 9. So when I read about the articles online, you know, the specs, and GoPro had a 9 that was coming out and it looked something like this, you know, I didn't believe it until, you know, I kept on looking at the GoPro site. So, you know, with all said, let's just get this thing open. I opened the box because I got a little bit excited. So I'm going to continue to open the box and pull out the little case that comes with it. It's a nice black case that GoPro decides to, you know, send it in because I heard that GoPro is trying to get rid of all the plastic. So with all said, we're going to open this and see what's inside here. That's what's inside. So this GoPro runs you about $449.99. GoPro is also having a promotion on their website, which they're selling GoPros, the Hero 9. So GoPro is trying to get rid of the plastic, which is good for the environment. And also they send us this nice case, which is a hard shell. When you buy the GoPro Hero 9, you will get this case that I just showed you on the box. When I pulled it out of the box, this is what it comes with. And it's a hard shell cover. It zips up. You can keep your GoPro in there. I remember when I got the GoPro 8, the Hero 8, I had this case, but it didn't come with a case like this. So it came with the GoPro, the mounts, and etc. And that's it. I didn't have anything to carry my GoPro with. But with all said, let's just see what's inside the box. Let's see what's inside the case. So we got the charging port, which is a USB to USB-C port. If you guys can see it, we have the battery, which is bigger. They was talking about the battery is bigger from the GoPro 8. Yeah, it does look a little bit bigger. We're gonna just set that right there. It comes with the thing, the docking station that the GoPros always came with. And then it comes with this adhesive, that you can actually clip it onto something and it'll actually stay. Yes, these are real strong, so just be careful when you put it on something because you cannot remove it that easy. And then it comes with the key thing. So when you put your GoPro on here, you put this in here and you screw it in, and then it holds your GoPro in place. So the exciting part of this whole video is this baby right here, the GoPro Hero 9, if I can get it out the box. Now, it's nicely packaged on the LCD screen, which you can actually see yourself when you actually record vlogging videos, adventure videos, whatever kind of videos. Also, it has a plastic screen protector over the lens. That's important because you want to get great video. Also, it has this plastic around the GoPro. I'm figuring, and I'm guessing that because it didn't come in a plastic shell case anymore, that GoPro had to protect it another way, where GoPro put the plastic around it so that it'll protect the edges, it'll protect the power button ports, it'll protect the top. And then also in the back, which GoPro also did on the 8, they had the plastic in the back, but they had some design in the back of the plastic, which this plastic is just plain. And you know, I don't really care about the design, I just care about the actual camera, how it shoots and how it plays out, how it, if I take it on an adventure or take it somewhere, I just care how it works. I care about the functions, whatever it is. And that's what I did my research up on. So it's nicely packaged. This is what it looks like. So you got your GoPro, you got your power cord, which is USB-C to USB. You got your bigger battery that lasts 30% longer than the actual GoPro Hero 8. You got your adhesive slider grip, where you got to be careful when you stick it on something because it's not that easy to come off now. And you got your key, which it slides into this one when you put the GoPro on top of here. So I'm going to just sip my coffee. And then we're gonna just start unwrapping. All right, so we're gonna just pull this plastic piece off. We're not gonna pull these plastic pieces off yet because I wanna protect the camera. I don't wanna get no fingerprints on it. So what I like about the Hero 9 is that it comes with these flaps with flaps down whenever you're not using the docking part. And then it flaps, you could pull it up and then you can attach it on to the docking part. And then also these are replaceable. So let's say, you know, it breaks or one of them breaks. You can replace these. Just go to GoPro.com and just order a new set of these. Body build is basically, it's more bigger and it's more, you know, a little bit heavier. A lot of people said it was a little bit heavier. Gotta get a memory card with the GoPro because it won't let you power it on. But let's just power this baby up. So we're gonna just open this. We're gonna take this one and we're gonna slide it in this way, which just slides in nicely. Also, we're gonna take the memory card and we're going to put this memory card into this slot. So usually it goes backwards and just pushes it in. And then that's it, voila. It just went in that easy. I remember the Hero 8 was hard to get the memory card in because it's like this little slot and you're trying to push it in along with the battery and you have to take the battery out and then push the memory card in. But this one allows you to push the memory card in with the battery already in the camera. So now that we got it on and everything, we gotta set this baby up. Now we gotta set up this GoPro. We gotta hit it on English. Come on. Okay, so now it's asking us to agree to some features or legal stuff. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at gopro.com/legal, right? So we hit accept. Location GPS on, that's just in case you wanna, every time you film, it'll show your location and let people know where you were at. We're gonna just turn that off for now. So now the GoPro setup, which you gotta go on your phone and set it up. If you haven't downloaded the app, the GoPro app from the App Store, whether it's Android, the Go Store, or Apple, the Apple Store, just download the GoPro app and you should be able to use this camera while using your phone. We're gonna not set that up right now and we're just gonna go back, right? So it says, are you sure connecting your camera to the GoPro app lets you easily transfer, edit, and share your media? So right now we're gonna actually skip that. I'll show you guys how to set that up a little bit later. We're gonna skip that setup. So we gotta put the date in. So today is the 17th, 9/17. Where's 17? And then we go 20, right? So we put that date in today. And that's when we're gonna actually hit the check mark button. This is the GoPro Hero 8 that I'm actually recording this GoPro Hero 9 on half of the way. And you see the LCD screen on the front that I can actually see myself, you know, when I go like that in front of the camera.